again, my client had made the admission to the officer on the body, and it's on body cam, that he had smoked earlier that day. Again, that passenger who's smoking a large joint of marijuana during the traffic stop. And then, of course, the officer's reaction that he's coughing and he's like, I don't smoke marijuana. Can you please step out of the car? I thought, oh, geez, a jury's really, especially the front seat passenger, I thought a jury would really latch onto that. Because as the officer comes up, all the windows of the car are rolled up. So, there's that, I guess, popular belief of that you can have contact highs. I had real concerns about that. The other concern I had, my client was African American and we live in a predominantly white community. So that was something that I sort of had baked in to my trial strategy. When we had done our suppression hearing, the officer that conducted the roadside stop, that was in my list of questions for him, did you treat him different because he's black?
So let's talk about your strategy. So once you got all the evidence, what you just talked about that concerned you, in addition to whatever else you received in discovery, what was your strategy for taking apart the prosecution's case?
So as I start to build my trial strategy, the first thing I do, we have like uniform sample jury instructions. That way I know exactly what elements the prosecution needs to hit and what the jury's going to hear. That way I sort of know where the case is strong for us and what to hammer on. So with my client, I really narrowed in and focused on impairment. So there really was a question as to if his abilities to drive are impaired, despite all of the other facts and circumstances.